Hello, my name is Sofia Morales, and today I'm gonna present my final project, which was designing a poll. It was in Paris, so my parent and I we decided to design a medical poll, which tells you how good or how bad your health is. I found it to be challenging, but also fun. I believe that it developed my computational competences very well because, as I said before, I had to use all my knowledge that I have so far. I believe the poll system can be improved by maybe um, getting into more specific questions and or getting more specific results, because here, as I said before, you have like three results and it's not that specific. So I believe if you choose different questions, but of course you need to have a wider range of answers. So I believe that's gonna be one way we can improve this poll. Okay, so now here we have our program, the survey. It's gonna start with the welcoming from us, Gabriel and me, which we are the creators of High Health Survey. And for this survey, we used this point. So each answer, it's gonna be one of this A, B, C, D, and these are the values. A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, and D equals 4. And it's gonna start with the question 0, do you want to participate? Our first conditional is for this question. So if you answer yes, then you're gonna start the survey. If you answer no, then you're automatically done because that means that you don't want to participate in the survey. So for these questions, they are very simple. For example, let's start with the first one. We're gonna use it to explain the rest. So how many hours do you sleep every night? These questions are very simple. These are the types of questions you get whenever you go to a doctor's appointment. And we organized the answers by range. So A equals 1 to 3, B equals 3 to 6, C equals 6 to 9, and D equals 9 or more. These values may vary between the questions, but they all work in ranges. And that's how the questions will be given, because at the end, what it's gonna do is it's gonna add all your points. So if you answer how many times you answer A, B, C, or D, they're gonna be added together with these points. And later on, I'm gonna show you how that works and how it give you the answer. So for example, let's look at another one. For example, how would you consider your lifestyle? A equals horrible, B equals I don't know, C okay, and D healthy. So as I said, this is each letter has a value. Normally the D is like the more healthy, the healthier answer. So yeah. Then if we go to the bottom of the program, we can see that at the end you could get 4 different types of outcomes of answers. So you could get that your health status is perfect, normal, low, or worrying. Or in case that you didn't participate, you're just gonna get it thanks. And here we can see the this, which is like the outcomes. And now we're gonna have a quick look at how it works. So I'm gonna answer it as if I was just a normal person going to the doctor. And as I said before, these are the types of questions you get whenever you attend a doctor's appointment. So we chose to do it about health because nowadays is something that is very worrying with everything that is going on, like the coronavirus. It's very important to check your health um, and to have monitoring it. And we know that it's hard sometimes to go to the doctor checkups. So this is a simple way to have a heads up on your health. So now I'm just gonna answer it as I think my health is. And so of course each person is different. That's why we have a lot of different answers. And so yeah, so we try do to have like the very worst and the very good, so that everyone has an answer.
So, yeah, let's just finish this.
And so at the end, it's just going to ask you, after you answer all the survey, if you want to know your results. In this case, we do want to know our results. And I have 59 points. So as I said before, our answers, they're going to add up together. And my health status is perfect.